Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this really nice runner rug. This is a 2.5 by 8, and oh, it's so soft. It does come in a variety of different colors, so that is really nice. As you can see, it's not pulling up or pilling. It's got a nice non-slip back on here, which is fantastic because it does not move around when you're walking around. And the binding goes all the way around. It's just a nice, pretty pink color on this one. And what is great is it's actually stain resistant. You can see that all beat up, really nice. You just simply wipe it up, and I mean, it is gone. That is amazing. And it's super low pile, so you can easily open up doors over it. You can even run vacuums on it. And it's not coming up because of that nice grip on the carpet. So this is a really great runner rug that is huge and will look great in any space.